TurboDrive Inkjet Cleaning. You need the following equipment to clean the inkjet: distilled water, Torx TX20, lint-free soft cloth, not microfiber. First, loosen the 4 screws of the cover. When loosening the 4 screws, make sure that the shutter plate does not fall out when opening. Now, carefully dab the printer heads with a damp cloth to clean them. In this case, you will see a non-functioning inkjet with a blocked shutter plate due to dirt. In this case, cleaning is absolutely necessary. Here, the cause of the blockage is quickly apparent. Remove the coarse dirt and also clean all components thoroughly with a damp cloth. Check the bolts for breaks or damage. When assembling, take care to insert the bolt into the hole. Also, make sure that the shutter plate rests against the side guides. Close the cover and use the push button to check the inkjet is working properly.